Many of our clients choose to use an integration like Google Analytics to pull their Ceros data into one place. The added benefit of using this integration is that you'll be able to track not only click interactions, but also hovers in your experience. In addition to a Google Analytics integration, Ceros also has integrations with Chartblocks, HubSpot, Marketo, and Google Tag Manager. If you'd like to learn how to set these up in your Ceros account, you can find step-by-step instructions on our Educate site or by asking your Ceros representative. Okay, so we've taken a look at all of the metrics that are relevant for your project, campaign, or company. Now, what do we actually do with that information? First, we want to understand how we put those metrics into context. What were the goals for that project? How are we measuring success for that project? The most common goals we come across for Ceros content are things like lead generation and engagement. With those goals, we have to make sure we're measuring the correct metrics for success and, of course, evaluating that content in its creative context as well. Here are some key takeaways for analytics in Ceros. First, always establish goals and success metrics before you begin creating your content, and make sure that those goals ladder back up to your overarching team or company's goals in Ceros. Secondly, don't forget to set up an integration to your analytics platform of choice, if applicable. Third, make sure your design, UX, and build reflect those goals for that project. Fourth, when evaluating the success of your project, make sure to do so in context with best practices and your audience in mind. Finally, remember this is an ongoing process, and when these steps are done correctly, you'll continue to create more and more successful content in Ceros over time, and therefore establish a more valuable relationship between your company and our platform and services. Thank you for taking the time to watch our lesson on analytics. We hope you learned how the Ceros Analytics dashboard works and are ready to put an analytics strategy into practice. If you have any questions, please know we have a whole team of experts ready to help you. Whether that means providing feedback and recommendations on a particular project, helping you set up an integration with your platform of choice, or assisting in planning and choosing the best use cases for your brand, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team to learn more.